In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. If you never used it before, hit allow in all available pop-ups. And before recording, tap on this gear at the bottom on the left. Then manage all of those options, and when you finished, go back. To start recording, use red button at the bottom in the middle. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon on the left. And to end it and save it, on the square on the right. Then to access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines on the right when recording is off. As you can see, mine is here. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to, you can also hold it. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and rename it. To get rid of it though, you can hold it again, but this time use bin icon next to three dots and hit allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!